Alright, so recap, whoever makes it the farthest wins. What's up, everyone? Who plays in Resistance Chemical Crisis Bank? Wait, guys, see that? There's an airplane in the tree. Anyone know how to get the Art Stevens' turn?
Alright,
Let's go.
2, 1, yeah.
Go.
Oh!
You can't see that?
I don't know if I can even. I don't know if I can get a perspective on it.
There you go. Check that out, guys. Alright, so I'll play the Resistance on that round. Round 2. Alright, go. You ready? It's Chemical Virus. Hey, we got it. Cool, let's how this goes. Freaking making them make out. What the heck?
What are you talking about?
He's making them kiss.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, everyone's my turn.
Okay, my turn. Why? Oh, what's that? Alright. Yeet. Oh! Oh, dang! Ooh.
Not the opposite direction.
Can you see it? Right down there. Look at that. Going now.
Alright. Yay. My turn.
Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Got stoned again! Well,
Guys, we gotta decide the place from ours.
wow! What just happened? Where'd it go? Where'd that gonna go? Oh! Oh! Let's try it again then.
Alright, Steven. Gotta be careful. Throw his airplane.
Alright. It's going.
Alright, go. That's 3 airplane.
Oh,
Save me, where'd it go?
Oh, look at that, there's one up there.
It fell down again and one.
Oh.
Guys, should I get this, guys?
I don't think so.
Yes.
Ah!
Ah!
Whoa!
Sketty!
Whoa!
To recap,
That was insane.
guess what? I won that round. Pause, everybody.
Yeah.
Steven, you gotta at least get an airplane up here before we end the video.
Okay.
You gotta get at least 2. Ah! Oh! Oops. Wait, what happened? I saw something fall down.
Everybody fell down.
Throw it up!
Okay. Yeah.
Steven!
Okay.
That airplane.
Recording.
Yay! What?
Ready.
Yay! That's scary. You gotta get up here.
Oh.
Wait, what? Ah! Steven! Oh no. Oh shoot! I fell down! I meant to grab it! I'm sorry! I'm sorry. I meant to grab it. Kinshasa. Kinshasa Magadon. Come on.
No!
Oh! That don't count. FYI.
What did you?
Shaking it.
Yeah.
I think I did something. Oh!
Oh, that's lit.
Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool. I'm kidding, guys. That sucks. Come on. North Korea. Chemical virus is North Korea, everybody. Did you know that? Alright. Did you guys see that? I'm sorry. That was good. Oh,
Oh!
Steven? That airplane, it fell down again. Yay! Oh, frick, Steven! It blew down. Yes, it did. Ah! Alright. Come on. Come on.